Hi guys! Okay, so I am here with a quick kit share for Tracie Fox at Tracie Fox Creative, and this is for her really random colour labels kit, and it's awesome. I love it, I love it, love it. Yeah, so I will just zoom you in a little bit and I will show you this beautiful kit. I've got my new camera tripod set up, so actually I will say new, but I've gone back to the old one I used to have before. It's now up on the shelf instead of here on the desk, so when I move the desk it doesn't wobble. Anyway, yeah, so I love it. Straight away you spot the T, love that. Yeah, so we have a nice blue one here with all these awesome labels on it. And then we have another blue one, but it's got a nice sepia-ish background. It's got my name on it. It's got my name on it, guys. Yeah, so we have that one. Then we have a green one, which is fairly cool. Love the green. There's just so much going on this, I love it. Then we have another green with that nice vintage background on it. There's a W there. Another T there. Pretty cool. Then we have a black and white version. So this would be printed over the top of another kit. So that you've got, when you cut them out, you'd have a background on it. Cool. Also ink saver if you just want to. Oops, sorry. I will just come out once. That's it. Yeah, nice ink saver one if you just wanted to do it in black. So we have that one. Then we have another black one with the vintage background, which again is pretty cool. There we go. Then we have a red one. There we go. And then again we have the red on a vintage background. So there you go, guys. It's only a smallish kit, but there's so much on it, and you get 8 pages, so you've got a lot of labels to cut. Lots of fussy cutting, guys. Lots of fussy cutting. Yeah, but there you go. So awesome, love it. And yeah, I'm not doing it now, but I can't wait to get all this cut out and added to my Tracie labels kit collection. But yeah, so that is for the really random colour labels kit, and I'm going to do a 2-for-1 because I'm going to just now show you the Darling Bees kit, but there is a colourful add-on kit for this one. As you know, I've already done the video. Tracie did the Darling Bees kit in just traditional yellows, blacks, grunges, that sort of thing, and somebody, you know, had a very valid point and said, why are they always them colours with bead kits? Why is there no colourful ones? So Tracie did an add-on, a colourful add-on kit, and it is basically just called Darling Bees Colourful Add-On. But it is beautiful. The colours that she's used are amazing, beautifully bright. So, and these will work with the original kit. They'll work great with the original kit. So now they will be a little bit toned down here to what they would be if you printed on some good quality paper. I've just used normal printer paper. But yeah, so they're a bit toned down on this, but they're still really vibrant and beautiful. So you've got some large tags. Gorgeous. Love it. Oh, I can't get it. My fingers aren't working. Beautiful. Then you've got some nice backgrounds. Gorgeous. Then you've got some medium tags and some empty labels there for you to be able to stamp in them or stencil. It's fabulous. And these would layer up. I'm going to say back. No, these would layer up well on them, or yes, you could use them to back these. So you've got that one, and then you've got this one. And then we get to the pockets and some more mason jars. So we've got a nice pink one, the yellow one, oh sorry guys, that snuck up on me out of nowhere. Then we've got another pinky coloured one. That's nice. Nice tealy blue coloured one. A more purpley pinky colour one with some added extras. Love those. Then you've got the little journaling cards to go inside those when you've done them as pockets. I did a tutorial on how to do them pockets at the end of the Darling Bees video. The Darling Bees kit reveal video. Very easy to do. Some more mason jars. Again, bookmark, belly band. Perfect. Love it. Not sure what that's my printer. There's a little mark down the side there. That won't be on yours. That's my printer. And then we have an envelope, which is beautiful. Beautiful. Another one. I love this stenciling bit. Small tags, which again would be great layered up on the medium tags and the medium on the large. Or just as they are, obviously. Gorgeous. Then we have this beautiful Fussy Cut Flowers page. That is beautiful, I love that. Now that is the kit, that is the add-on kit. Ignore that for a minute. So that is the colourful add-on kit, the Darling Bees one. I will link to the kit below in Tracie's Etsy shop, along with the original Darling Bees kit. So yeah, that is the colourful add-on one. And then there is this, which is a freebie page that ties in with that. And this is available through Tracie's website. So I will link to that below as well. And you go to the website, you sign up, and then you get a password to go to the members area, the members access area, and that's where you can download Tracie's freebies, because she's had quite a lot of issues in the Facebook group of people downloading the freebies and giving them to other people to claim, well, giving them to other people to use, or claiming them as their own, using them in digital kits and claiming them as their own. So now you access freebies through her website, and you have to subscribe to do that, which is, you know, fine. It's great. It's just so that they can monitor it more. But yeah, that's a freebie page, so you won't get that in this kit or the other kit. That is a freebie one. You go to the website for that. But that is the colourful add-on kit for the Darling Bees. I love that. Beautiful page there. Okay, guys. So there you go. So these are, speak English, these are Tracie's latest 2 kits, I believe, I don't know, I could be running behind because I've been working, but in my collection anyway, these are the 2 latest kits that Tracie's done. And we got the got this a few days ago, I believe. It's Saturday now. It's Saturday the 25th of June now. And I believe these came out earlier on in the week. This literally just dropped in our inboxes this morning, in the Facebook design team group and in email for the design team. Yeah, we got that this morning, so we're like, yay, awesome. So there we go, guys. That is the show and tell video for these 2 beautiful kits. All the information will be below in the description box and where to find them. Please go check them out. And of course, again, the freebie page, go and check that out on Tracie's website. So yes, thank you so much for watching, guys. And yes, it's a beautiful day out there, and I'm going to go and enjoy what's left of it. So take care, stay safe, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.